So what if I told you that you're probably losing a massive chunk of your day, every single day, to little tasks that a machine could be doing for you? I'm talking about things like writing emails, summarizing those super long videos, or just digging for information online. Well, in this explainer, we're going to fix that.
And I want you to really think about this for a second. 5 hours, every single day. I mean, that's practically a part-time job's worth of time just gone. Poof. Where does it all go? You know, the repetitive tasks, the endless research rabbit holes, it adds up way faster than you'd think.
Yep, 5 hours, day in and day out. But here's the thing, working hard is kind of old news. The only way to survive and get ahead now is to work smart. So today, we're diving into the top 10 AI Chrome extensions that are going to basically put your productivity on autopilot.
Okay, so we're starting off with the big guns, the heavy hitters. If you only install 3 extensions after this, make it these 3. They're going to give you the biggest bang for your buck right out of the gate.
First up, Harpa AI. Seriously, think of this thing as your own personal robot for the internet. Need to get the gist of a long article without reading the whole thing? Done. Want to keep an eye on a product until the price drops? It'll do that for you. It can even learn your writing style to reply to emails for you, in your voice. It's just incredibly handy.
Next, let's talk about writing. Are you still typing out full phrases like, "looking forward to hearing from you"? You can stop. Compose AI literally finishes your sentences for you in real time. And the coolest part? It learns how you talk, so writing a big report starts to feel as easy as just sending a text message.
And rounding out our top 3 is Adify. You gotta stop watching those 20-minute YouTube tutorials just to find that one little piece of information you need. Adify uses some seriously powerful tech, GPT-4, to summarize any video into key bullet points with timestamps in like 5 seconds. This one is an absolute game changer for learning stuff online.
All right, moving on to our next batch, the workflow boosters. These tools are all about speeding up those specific, common tasks you probably find yourself doing over and over again.
First in this group is Perplexity, and a lot of people are calling this the Google killer. Instead of just giving you a page of links you have to click through, it gives you a direct answer, and, this is key, it tells you where it got the information. It basically turns search from a chore into a quick conversation.
Next is one called Merlin. This one is so simple, but wow, is it effective. It pretty much brings the power of ChatGPT to any website you're on. You can just highlight some text on, say, LinkedIn or Twitter, and Merlin will help you write the perfect response right then and there. No more jumping between tabs.
Now here's a promise I think we can all get excited about. Fireflies.ai. It joins your Google Meet or Zoom calls and automatically transcribes and summarizes the entire conversation. This means you can actually pay attention and be present in the meeting instead of scrambling to take notes.
This next one, SciSpace, is a lifesaver for anyone in academics or research. It helps you decode those really complex, dense research papers. It analyzes the text and explains all the high-level jargon and data in plain, simple English.
And wrapping up this section, we have Monica. The best way to think about Monica is like an all-in-one AI multi-tool that just lives in a little sidebar in your browser. It can handle quick translations, check your grammar, and even generate images for you, all without you ever having to leave the page you're on.
All right, time for our last 2. And these are what I like to call the secret weapons. They're a little more advanced, and they give you a kind of sophisticated edge that, honestly, most people just don't know about yet.
So this tool, Wise One, is way more than just a summarizer. It's like the ultimate reading co-pilot. While you're reading an article, it actually cross-checks the information for you and pulls up different perspectives on the same topic. It helps you read not just faster, but a whole lot smarter.
So you definitely know Grammarly for fixing spelling and grammar mistakes, but this is a whole new thing. Grammarly Go is their new AI feature. It's not just for typos anymore. It can actually rewrite your entire tone. You just write your draft, tell it to be more professional or more persuasive, and boom, one click and it rewrites it. It's like having your own personal editor on call.
So there you have it. 10 incredibly powerful tools to help you automate, accelerate, and just plain elevate your work. You know, we started this whole explainer with a problem. That huge chunk of your day that just seems to vanish. Well, by putting even just a couple of these tools to work, you can actually get that time back. 5 hours saved, just like that. And look, this isn't really about working less. It's about freeing you up to focus your energy on the stuff that actually matters. So, I guess the only question left is, which one are you going to install first? The trick is to just start with one, see how it feels, and then build from there. The future of productivity is already here, and now you've got the roadmap. So go on. Put it to use.